Welcome, everyone, to another episode of Behind the Shades. It's your host, Terraine. And as we end 2024, it's been a crazy, 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 crazy year so far, right? I want to share something with you guys, and look at this. This reads Diddy accused of raping three men as recently as 2022 in new lawsuits. It is absolutely wild to see what this man is going through. There was a point in time where a lot of people thought a lot of things when it came to this man. And it's interesting to see how it's all coming to light now because people have had enough. Cat Williams already told you guys that everyone's being exposed in 2024. But think about this. You have a lot of people who would think that a lot of these situations, a lot of these crimes only happen to like women, right? But now that they're being exposed as happening to men as well as women, you have a lot of men who are sweating, right? They're like, oh my God, whew, like it's not safe out there. When they say that your ass isn't safe, literally, your ass isn't safe. And this goes out to every single person out there. When you're meeting up with someone, or when you're getting involved with strangers, or when you're just thinking of meeting someone that has like a celebrity status, protect yourself at all cost. Diddy is the definition of power corrupts, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. There are literally no limits to what this man has doing, and that's what a lot of people who are abusers and narcissists do. To them, a victim graduates every single year. Just like high school students, just like college students, just like university students. There's a fresh crop of victims for them to exploit, for them to use, for them to manipulate. I've said this once and I'll say it again, guys. Every single family, every single friend group, every single acquaintance list has a Diddy in it. So now the question is, what are you going to do about it?